One of the first milestones in online money making is consistently earning your first $150 per day. In today's video, I'll walk you through 7 potential ways to earn $150 per day, and I'll even break down the math to show you how it's possible. As for me, I personally make over $6,000 per day from a variety of sources. I detail down my 8 separate revenue streams in a video that I have on my channel. I know it seems weird, and I know I appear really young. When I say that I make that much money every day, I know that to some people that might sound unbelievable, and a lot of times when people hear figures like that, they think, oh, this must not be possible for me, there was something special about me. In reality, though, I've been doing this for over 10 years. I'm only 23 years old, but I started my online journey when I was just 14 years old, so I've been doing this for over a decade at this point. When someone says I couldn't do that myself, I respond, I have hundreds of students who make thousands of dollars a month. And I consider how many other people there are who also consistently make money online. There are countless opportunities to make money online, and every time you use the internet, you're probably helping someone else make money online. If you can even take a small piece of that multi-billion-dollar pie, you can. The first way to make $150 per day online is to run faceless YouTube channels. This is actually how I got started in the online world. I created YouTube channels where I didn't even show my face at first. These were like top 10 videos, and I thought, if all those other people can do it, why can't you? I believe that's the mindset you have to have when you go into this, and that'll make making $150 per day online much easier. List videos in various niches, which are basically topics. If you're interested in doing this, I've covered the best niches in some of my videos on my channel, but I wanted to break down the math for you to understand how it's possible to make this much money every day with a YouTube channel. For example, let's say that over the course of the next few months, you upload 60 videos to a faceless YouTube channel. Let's also assume that you optimize them as I demonstrate and that you're receiving some opinions about them, perhaps not very high, but let's say that each of your videos receives 250 views on average each day. Now, not all of your videos will receive the same number of views each day. On YouTube, 90% of views come from 10% of your channel's videos. However, if we average everything out and each of your videos only receives 250 views per day, then let's say that your channel has a $10 CPM. CPM is simply the amount of money you make for every 1,000 views on your YouTube channel. YouTube displays ads on your videos, which determines how much money you make per 1,000 views. For example, if you receive $10 CPM on 250 views per day, each video on your channel will earn $2.50. This may not seem like much, but if you multiply that amount by 60 videos, you will suddenly make $150 per day. This illustrates how you can simply upload an endless number of videos as long as you're creating high-quality content, modeling what works, and setting up procedures to eventually remove yourself from the process, as I have done. You might be thinking, Matt, isn't that unrealistic to get $10 for every 10,000 views on your channel? To which I reply, not at all. If we hop on over to my YouTube channel right here that you're watching right now, Make Money Mad, and we hop on over to my YouTube studio, go to the analytics of this channel, you can see that this channel is pulling in $115,000 per month, as you can see it. I can hire people to make the videos for me. All I have to do is come up with ideas for videos and then upload and optimize the finished products. Earns between $500 and approximately $800 per day on this channel at the moment. This channel generates much dollars for every 1,000 views. Why do some channels generate so much money while others only make a few dollars per 1,000 views? Well, that's because some niches have higher CPMs than others, because advertisers want to place more ads on particular subjects. I can tell you right away which subjects have the highest CPMs. Technology makes money online, in finance, investing, in health, and traveling legally. I like to think of every YouTube video I upload as a seed that I'm planting, like an insurance policy, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, and movies. Basically, faceless YouTube channels work like this. You find video ideas, you produce the videos without ever showing your face. There are many ways to do that, and then you upload, optimize, and monetize those videos on YouTube so they can eventually make you money. YouTube is not like a farmer where you have to keep planting more seeds because the season ends someday, but those seeds will ultimately come to harvest. I still receive monthly income from videos I uploaded when I was 14 years old, which just goes to show how powerful YouTube can be. If You upload videos in an evergreen niche, those seeds can continue to bear fruit for you because you can get views for years and years into the future. The second way to make $150 a day is to use digital products. These are things like ebooks, guides, or anything else you can sell digitally online, without having to pay a fulfillment fee each time a customer purchases it. You can find a lot of these products for sale on sites like Gumroad. If you're interested, I do have a completely free training that I'll link below. And if we visit Gumroad, this is how the website looks. We can click the Discover tab to see what other people are selling and get an idea for what you could possibly sell as a digital product. If we browse through some of the categories, you can see that the most popular ones are related to business and money education. There are many different subcategories under that, such as self-improvement and so on. You can also see that the majority of the products that people are selling here are guides, such as songwriting manuals and so forth. Here's an example of a guide that someone is selling called The Art of Twitter, How to Start a Business. That makes you $100 per day. They're charging $199 for this guide, and it has 365 ratings. If you take 365 days and divide $199 by the number of sales, that means that this guide alone has sold over $772,000. Keep in mind, though, that not every customer will leave a review, so they've probably made much more even than that. All they really need to do is sell one guide. They have made far more than $100 per day, and if you want to make $150 per day with a digital product, you can sell 10 $15 products, 3 $50 products, or just one $150 product. Since it's much easier to do now, I actually advise going for the $150 product sale. To make a digital product, you do need to have some knowledge of the subject matter you're creating it for, such as this product we're looking at right now. Now, you might be wondering, Matt, what these guides actually look like and how I could possibly make one myself. Well, here's a guide that I made. Right here, literally just within Google Docs. You can create a Google Doc for free and make a guide. The person who made this probably has experience with Twitter to be able to teach it within his guide. Simply center the text in the largest possible size for the initial section of the document. You can then add smaller text and pictures if desired. The tutorial demonstrates 7 niches that can garner millions of views without revealing your identity, and I showcase a variety of these niches. To drive traffic to your digital product, simply upload it to Gumroad, sell it, and potentially earn some money right away. I also suggest using YouTube for the third method I'll show you, which will earn you $150 per day. I know you can earn much more than that, though, as I personally use it to generate thousands of dollars every day. This method involves selling online courses, so don't be intimidated by the term. You might assume that you have to be some kind of expert on a subject. All you have to do is know more than most people within that specific subject to be able to teach it to the majority of people who know less than you. After all, a course is essentially just a collection of videos. If you can record videos, you don't even need to reveal your face. You can use a screen recorder like OBS and then Google Slides to create a visual representation for the course. If you charge $500 for that course, you can make $110,000 a month from just one course sale per day. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and it teaches people how to grow successful YouTube channels without revealing your face. If you decide to make a course, I do advise going above and beyond to ensure that it meets the needs of the people you sell to. Not only will you feel good about helping them, but you will also be able to make a substantial profit because, in theory, the value you provide in your product will determine how much money you make. That's how it should work, which is why, for instance, in my course, we go above and beyond to create the best possible product. For instance, we have over 100 lessons that cover every topic students need to know in chronological order. We also have checklists, templates, bonus materials, and a group where we answer questions every day. If you decide to take that path, I highly recommend incorporating those features into your course as well. However, as I previously mentioned, you do need some experience in order to teach something. To promote your online course, just use YouTube once more. However, if you lack the knowledge necessary to teach a subject, you can collaborate with someone who has already created a course and market it on their behalf. This is what I like to refer to as high payout partner products, and it's my second method of earning $150 per day. A high payout product is essentially an affiliate product that you can promote and earn a substantial amount. I'm talking about at least $100 per sale for that product. In an ideal world, you would like to promote products that cost at least $11,000 so that you can earn $500 for each sale that you refer. For instance, if you're not an expert on YouTube, you can sign up to promote my course on the Digistore 24 marketplace, and we've already paid out over $600,000 to affiliates, giving them a 50-50 commission. When someone puts in the effort to market and sell my program, I want to make sure they get paid because I know they invested their own time and energy. I also want it to be a true partnership, which is why I split the proceeds 50-50 with them, unlike many other course sellers who only give out 10 to 20%. For example, if you promote a $1,000 course and receive a 50% commission, you essentially only need 9 sales per month to average out. You can manage YouTube channels to earn $150 a day and drive traffic to your high-paying partner products. Manage a page on Instagram purchase. Advertisements run a blog, write articles that interact with online communities, answering their queries and genuinely adding value before mentioning that they could benefit from something more in-depth. Our second way to make $150 a day is to run Instagram theme pages, which are pages where you can create a page centered around a niche without ever having to reveal your face. Though Instagram doesn't always have built-in monetization like YouTube, there are plenty of popular pages on the platform about animals, travel, technology, and business. If you visit the website shoutcart.com where these pages are located, you might be wondering, Matt, how these pages actually make money. Well, the way you can make money with Instagram pages is by selling shoutouts, which are simply advertisements for other pages, brands, or businesses that purchase space on that page to get that exposure audience to the page or a product they are promoting. These pages frequently just DM other influencers or pages on Instagram to request permission to repost their clips, saving them from having to create any content at all. Eventually, once their page reaches a certain size, people will even send you content for free to repost because it benefits both parties and helps their page grow if you tag them. And it benefits yours as well. In fact, this Shoutcart website is a marketplace where users can purchase and sell shoutouts on numerous Instagram pages. They also offer Instagram. Here's an example of a page that charges $150 for a feed post on Instagram for people who want to buy a shoutout on it. If they're charging $150, this page essentially only needs to sell one every day. TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and all these other platforms are where it's primarily made for. To earn $150 per day, and I personally know a number of people because I've purchased shoutout on many of these popular pages that sell far more than that. In fact, I know some people who manage a network of pages who utilize this to generate tens of thousands of dollars per month. If we head over to Instagram, I found their page, which you can see here, and a lot of the content they upload is either shoutouts like this one right here where you can see they've tagged the person that they're shouting shout out right there. Clearly, he paid to have that done, as well as a lot of other content that isn't even theirs, but is instead content that they have permission to repost from other popular pages. You can even earn more money by doing this, by endorsing affiliate goods or your own course. Now that you know that there are numerous methods for earning money online, many of them involve the use of social media. Instagram is simply one more excellent source of monitor visitors. Using social media means using video, which means that services like video editing are in high demand. This leads me to my sixth method of making $150 per day videoing. I pay thousands of dollars a month to video editors to edit videos for my 12 different YouTube channels, including the one you're currently watching, which I paid hundreds of dollars to have edited because it will hopefully provide you with knowledge as well as a lot of value. Information that you can put into practice, but it will also earn me money through advertising and course sales for those looking to advance. All in all, it should be a win-win situation for everyone involved. You can learn how to edit videos for free from online tutorials, and if you really want to get really good at it, you could even enroll in a few courses to become an expert. This could potentially lead to the development of a high-paying skill that you can use for the rest of your life. We discussed earlier in this video about promoting high-payout partner products as a great way to make additional money online. While I still believe that this is one of the best ways to make money online, you can actually still make a lot with low-payout partner products as well. If you edit just one or two of these per day, you can average out to make $150 per day. Not to mention that you could have multiple clients paying you and do other types of content like short-form content as well. Make sure you're promoting the appropriate low-payout partner products, which are those that require a monthly subscription. These will primarily Be software products, which leads me to our second strategy for earning $150 per day as an affiliate promoting software. As an affiliate, I personally make over $10,000 each month pushing things, many of which are software programs that I have recommended on my YouTube channels and in other places. You may create a full YouTube channel dedicated to promoting software. Additionally, one of my students actually makes over $10,000 per month from this channel on YouTube called The Debusters, where he just talks about and promotes various AI software. He uses a lot of AI tools to help him create his videos. Here's a software I found called Flicky that assists with creating videos using AI. With this software, I discovered that you can sign up to be an affiliate and earn 30% recurring commissions for lifetime. So you should make sure you can continue to receive monthly payments for each person who signs up through your link. If we check the pricing on Flicky right here, you can see that it ranges from $21 to $66 per month. Let's assume that the average person pays $43.50 per month for this software. If you receive 30% of that, you will receive roughly $113 for each customer you refer each month. If you refer just 346 customers, you will, on average, make $150 per day. Additionally, you can keep promoting to attract more and more people to subscribe to it instead of needing to get those sales count consistently each month in order to keep making that amount. You only need to do it once and get those people to subscribe. If the software is good, they'll probably stay subscribed and you can continue earning that amount of money. Some people will unsubscribe, which is totally normal. However, as long as you're replacing those people with new ones at the same rate that they unsubscribe, you could probably grow it. Additionally, you can overcome that because running YouTube channels can greatly assist many of the side hustles I discussed in today's video. In fact, running YouTube channels can be a great way to make money online and an online job in and of itself. If you want to learn exactly how to grow your own profitable faceless YouTube channels, I've created a completely step-by-step free training that you can check out right here. There's no fluff, just straight talk on how to do this. Concise and provides 4 steps to accomplish this. This is the best free training I've ever made and it's right here next to me. Check it out and hopefully I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you there.